Alright guys, today we're going to connect two neon lights and a switch. I'll show you. You see there's an LED strip here. Here too, it's bright, everything's fine, but over there, it's completely dark. Since it's a disaster, it's a great time to show you how to connect a switch and two neon lights. This setup is temporary during installation and electrical work. Once that's done, I'll take the neon lights back. Alright, everything is wired, everything is connected. There you go, isn't that nice? Look at this luxury for working. Two LED neon lights, so they use almost no power. As for the wattage, I think we're at about 15 watts. I can see clearly now, so I can keep working without having to hang the spotlight in random ways. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Alright, both neon lights are connected, and honestly, it took me half an hour at most. It's better to lose half an hour and work comfortably afterward, rather than hanging up the spotlight that keeps falling down. The lighting was bad for me, but now, like I said, we can work comfortably. So, if you're interested in this kind of video in a vertical format, I know it's not for everyone. I'll keep the usual YouTube format on Saturday or Sunday mornings, but let me know if you're interested in short, useful clips like this. How do you connect two neon lights to a switch? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you soon. I know I'm behind on posting, but new content is coming.